Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation, the Custom Homes, and the host of The Art of Renovation. I want to chat with you a little bit about planning your lighting. So if you're considering a kitchen renovation or any other space for that matter, lighting is a key component. So give some thought to a few different things. One is practically, you need light. How much do you need? Where do you want it? Right? So in a kitchen, you want that task lighting on the countertop areas. You also need some nice top lighting. For example, here we have some pendants that hang over the island that brings that lighting down a bit closer to the workspace while becoming also a nice design feature as far as showcasing a beautiful fixture. Other options to consider would be under cabinet lighting or lighting within floating shelves, puck lighting within cabinetry if you have glass fronts. In this case, I want to talk a bit about how they've laid out the pot lighting grid here. So the design was to get a nice linear grid, and it ties in with the rest of the attached living space to the kitchen. But also it gives really nice lighting from above to generally cast light over the kitchen area. But I really love these pendant lights, and they provide really great task lighting and kind of, I don't want to say mood lighting, but a great ambiance to the space when the light is on. And they're also a really attractive fixture that ties in really well with the hardware package on these cabinets. So, you know, you have to think about the design, the fashion of how it's going to look, also within the function of how it's going to light your space. So if you have your pot lights, or in this case LED panel lights, installed in a location where they might cast a shadow onto the work area, consider that. So that gets a bit technical, but you know, your renovator should be able to help you design and lay out your grid so that you have great task lighting, useful lighting to help light the space, and then generally something that aesthetically is pleasing, some symmetry within the grid. This kitchen before the renovation had this very large bulkhead with a strange configuration of pot lights within it. It really was an eyesore and really didn't provide great lighting to the area in general. This used to be a U-shaped kitchen. So if you see these before photos of the space, you'll see what I mean about this bulkhead, how it sticks down. The lighting is inconsistent. And so now you have this great open concept, nice, smart, linear lighting design, and really attractive fixtures in here to help round it all out. If you have questions about your project, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can leave your questions in the comments. I'm Paul from The Art of Renovation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.